All right. See you later. Okay, well, here we go down the road. Well, I ain't got much to say today. I don't know why that is. If I was talkative, I'd be a better YouTuber. But I'm not that talkative.
You want to be silly.
Hello.
What? Everything all right?
Oh yeah.
For what day I see over there?
Huh?
For what day I see over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, like you're cooling out.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because it depends to what's going on.
Yeah.
We have to cool out and watch it. A dangerous thing going on.
Yeah.
So what, a camera?
Oh yeah. I got my
Okay.
camera going on.
So hold on, you can get one of those cameras can give me.
Huh?
I want one of those cameras.
What for?
Yes, I want one.
You want one?
Yes,
Okay.
we can video the place.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. No,
Okay.
there's a tree growing up over here where I like to drive sometimes.
Okay.
And I broke it off, but it's gonna scratch my car.
Oh, so you want to chop it off?
I gotta chop it off, man.
You can give me the road to chop it off.
Huh?
You can give me the road to chop it off.
I'll be done in 5 minutes.
Okay.
I'll come back and tell you about the work.
Yes. Okay.
Ah. Well, that's the one right there. Not much of a okay. Oh. Oh. I think that's okay. I need to come down here with my whack. Okay. That's all the heavy ones. Whew. Okay. There we go. Man, I'm out of shape. Mosquitoes biting my leg. I don't know how he's biting my leg when I'm walking like this, but he managed to get the job done. Well, I still have all my limbs. Whew. And I found another couple of them that were kind of getting thick, so got those two.
So we'll cut them out.
Huh?
We'll cut them out. Okay.
The one, yeah. The ones that won't bend over, you know, by themselves. So, yeah. Okay.
So we're clear now.
Huh?
We're clear.
Well, I wouldn't call it clear, but you're not gonna break your oil pan off on the stubs, on the stumps. So I got them shorter than I needed to, but as long as I was over there, I wanted to just keep whacking. So kind of worked up a sweat doing it, but now I got to sharpen that thing. It's really dull after all that because I was hitting the ground a lot, you know, because the stump's down in the ground.
Because when that man you pay him to sharpen it, you have to know whose file to really sharpen it. You kind of.
Yeah, he showed me how I sharpened it even before I went.
Oh.
Yeah, I even put a little oil on it too because it was kind of rusty. It's kind of been rusty, so.
Okay.
Yeah. So anyway, all right.
Yeah.
GoPro, stop recording.
Yes, sir.
GoPro, hear me? GoPro, stop recording.